Hi, my friends. I hope you're having a good time. Today, I want to talk about what I'm going to pack with me because I'm going to work remotely for the next few months. And I need to take the necessary things with me to make sure that I can work remotely with as little as possible disruption in the flow and in the way that I get into the working mode. Because right now, the space that I use to work on is pretty welcoming, allows me to get creative, allows me to focus, allows me to use my board if I need it, or write, or something like that. But in the new place, I might not have that, and I might not have the luxury, actually won't have the luxury of having a 49-inch monitor, so I'll have to work from a 13-inch monitor. So it will be an adjustment, but nonetheless, long introduction, let's dive in. So I am going to work a few months from in a different state, different place. The challenge is that I am driving down there and there's not enough space. The car is packed with other things, and I need to make sure that whatever I'm taking with me is actually what I need. So I need to make sure that I'm not overpacking and not taking things that I need. So for instance, I might need the wireless puck for meetings and stuff like that. But at the same time, if I don't have space, I won't take it. But if I do have space, I'll take it because it's convenient and easy and stuff like that. So I would love not to have to take two laptops with me, my personal laptop and my work laptop, but I don't think I can get around that because I need to edit my videos and stuff like that. And I'm not okay with doing that. I'm not okay with doing personal things on my work laptop, so I'll have to take both working machines. If you're interested in watching this, how I pack and what I take with me, keep on watching. Okay, as you can see, I have a whole bunch of things that I kind of threw together really quickly here to make sure that I have what I need. But here's what I think so far that I need. My Kindle to read books, my iPad with a pencil to draw and take notes and stuff like that. My charger, I think will be the charger that I have for my phone, for my earpods and my watch. I won't be taking any other charger. My keyboard, my personal laptop there, my work laptop, two mouse. I think I will take one Apple mouse and one Arc mouse. But I'm not sure. Maybe I need just one. Different cables, chargers. I'm missing the charger for my Apple MacBook Pro. Yeah, right now, let's see if I can fit all of that in one place. And I know what I'm missing. I am missing my storage, my SSD drives. I need to get those. So I have my storages here. I have my computers, my laptop, my tablet, my reading device, things to type on, things to listen to through, things to connect to charge, and things to transport things. So let's put this all together and see how it turns out. Okay, so let's back. I have the SSDs here. The cables, I need to figure out the cables. Okay, so I have one cable, C-type to C-type and C-type to A-type, I believe. And nope, that won't work. So I'll have the cables somewhere here, but I can close the SSDs. Okay, so this is ready. This will be ready. It doesn't need anything. I need to figure out where is I have a case for the pencil, or the sleeve for the pencil. I need to find that. Okay, this is done. My microphone. We'll put them here. Okay, it fits perfectly. Nice. So my connectors, cables. Actually, yeah, I'll leave it like that. I need to figure out the cables. I'll leave those at the end. Charger for my iPad. Okay, next my charger. And put it here. It fits perfectly here. So that will be awesome. Oh, come on. Come on. You should be able to fit. Why you don't fit? You don't fit. Sucks. Okay, next, putting the mouse, my Microsoft Art mouse there. Some lighting here. Cables, charging stuff. Okay, my Jabra thing in its pocket. Come on, I can close you. Okay, the keyboard. I have a case. So here's the keyboard case. So that's still on. Let me turn it off. Okay, beautiful. I think you will come and be here, and your cable will be with you like this. See, it's like a glove. Awesome. Okay, keyboard figured out. This figured out. These are the cables for microphone. Other kind of cables. This is the charger for the mouse. Do I take you with me? I take you with me. You will fit here perfectly. This is also something that I need. Is the docking station. But do I need the docking station? What will I connect it to? I'll take it. Just in case. I'll get a monitor. Okay. Do I need this? No, I don't need those. And what time is it? That's that. So I have that. This is for my laptop. Okay, here's what we have. Laptop, iPad, keyboard, and I need to figure out the lighting stuff. I will have the charging stuff for my laptop here. It's all nicely packed in one thing. Okay, to sort out the cables. So, looks like I'm not taking too many things, right? Just a few things. Yeah. I'll have plenty of space left. Yeah, I think I am doing pretty good at not taking too many things. Maybe I don't need 2 mouses, but just in case one is failing, I have the backup. I need to put the cables, and I think that's it. Okay. So let's begin with the packing stuff. So my laptop goes first. My tablet goes next. Actually, the tablet will have to be in the car with me. So, but for now, I'll leave it as is. Charging for my phone, charger, SSDs, mouse, my reading device. This is the Apple, the laptop stand. So this is, I think, the charger for the mouse. Let's see how I do this. More challenging than I thought. But I'm not giving up. Okay, awesome. So I have this. Okay, so where do you want to go? Do you want to go here? I'm going to put you here. So I have you here. Just go in. I think it's good. Here. See, I'll put this together with the mouse. Okay, let's do this one. Okay. Oh no, I don't want you. I don't want squished at all. I should do this. Okay, put it here. Like so. And this is the charger. Let's do something pink. So okay. So let's have this one here. Like so. The charging thing. Let's see, I'll put you here. And I'll put this one this direction. And just have this here. So here's how it looks. So I got some pencil tips. So, and just sit here. Yes, perfect. Perfect. No, don't want to. Okay, just much. Okay. I'm here. Do this differently. Okay. And well, I'll put this in here as well. This is like people on this side. Look, I have space for a few more things. Did I get everything? Anything? The only thing left is the children's door. Hey, look at this. I have everything I need here.